Hey FaceMakers, happy Halloween. It's that time of year. I'm going to run through a little bit of video that I took from around the neighborhood at a couple of houses that you might find interesting. For all you Beetlejuice fans, I've got a nice cool house that's right down the street. And for all you scary ass clown people out there, well, I've got a scary clown house for you to show off. You know my background, I come from the Ringling Brothers circus clown family. So I'm not crazy about scary clown stuff, but you know, I do appreciate the effort and how creative it can get. So enjoy the video, and I'm going to throw in a little making the final mask for my grandson Riley for his Halloween day. So enjoy Halloween, and I hope you have a great time.
Dad, I don't think we have very much to worry about anymore. Bob, honey. Dad. Bob, honey. Dad, I don't think we have very much to worry about anymore. Bob, honey. Dad, I don't think we have very much to worry about anymore. Hey, you. Hey, come here. Hungry. Come on. Hey, come here. I got something good for you. Come on over. Let's look at the mush. Come here.
Sounds like a date I once had.
I myself am strange and unusual.
Yeah. Steven's had a shortcut. Yeah, I guess so.
Hey, come here. Hungry. Come on. Hey, come here. I got something good for you. Come on over.
I figure it might start dying down here.
Guys, I'm taking a picture. All of you, come here.
Why are you guys all grabbing me?
Guys, get in. I'm taking a picture. Come here, all of you. Get in with them, all of you. Get in, you
pressure and pull up on the mold below, the base below. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually lifting it out. Basically, it gets rid of your suction, then the whole thing comes out. Okay, I've run my polyfoam in my mold. I basically slushed my mold in latex, dragged it across the top surface so I had all rubber against the plaster so the polyfoam didn't grab onto the plaster. This is what the mold looks like after I've run it. You see I use clamps to hold this down and hold the face down into place. Pop the clamps loose. I've already lifted this out so it'll speed it up. So I've also trimmed away all of this. I left the latex here so the polyfoam didn't squish out and stick to the plaster. So now this is easy to remove. I had a really good mold release on it. You see the clay, which was temporarily put there to give me a groove inside of the mask to accommodate the baseball cap that I'm going to add to it. So let's take this out. This is fairly fresh latex. It's probably going to need a little post-curing once it's out of the mold. So when you take something out like this, you know, the ears are stuck in there. This will firm up once it comes out. There's the ear. There's the other ear. Now it's a matter of just kind of pulling the face out carefully. And this is the first look of the mask. Well, as you see, I've moved into the painting stage. This is multiple layers of different colors using Pax paint as a base and a lot of airbrushing, and now I'm just doing a little fine detailing. When I'm done with this entire thing, I'm going to put a matte finish on it so it doesn't have too much sheen to it, and then I'm going to put a translucent glow in the dark UV color on it, which will pick up any ambient light and make the pieces glow in the dark. Hey, I made a simpler version. It's just more simple.
Cities like Los Angeles, San Diego, and San Francisco far surpass it in
It'll be easier for him to wear. It's hollow, so I can just put a little piece of foam in there to kind of hold it up, and it'll have strings coming from the back going this way to keep it from slipping forward, and it doesn't have the bulk as the other one. See, it's very, very lightweight, like a mask.